Dumelang Lindlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Umkhokha the curse. Okay, let us start ngoMabusi. uMabusi is refusing the calling. Like, period. She told Umzobe ukuthi angifuni, and Umzobe threatened ukuthi should you pass away, should you die in this state, you must know that your son is going to be the one that takes your calling, whether you like it or not. But uMabusi, that scared her. But you could see Uguti, no, she's not rather willing to take the ancestral calling at any point or at any given time, because she sees herself as a medical doctor, not as a traditional doctor. So Ugirl is like refusing. But guys, can we appreciate prophet wasethempeni lenkosi guy one? Yo Luna, alright fine, uSifociya nangu athandaza uSifociya, uZamcolo naye uyathandaza. uSifociya uthandazela ukuthi kube ne revelation, right, so that he can know where uMabusi is. Then uZamcolo naye uyakhuleka ukuthi uMvelasi ababonise ukuthi ukuphi uNomafu. Hayi ube prayer. Revelation comes. Sifociya was happy, goes kaMthembu and says, guys, nali phupho hla lishukuthini. Then uZamcolo breaks chops the prayer, the revelation or the vision, and says, no, I know where the person is. The person is here. Then kubizwe uPhakathwayo, nabaya bafike bamthole ke endumbeni, akampunga uMabusi. Okay, ngiyayibona ke yobumpunga akhona utsamaya lo bona ka ra bone a ke sure gore o etsalang le nna ba nne setse ke ipusa ke re wa bona. Like I thought at some point that she's blind or what. Like ke pity, and at this point we know Uguti is going to drag before uMabusi accepts the calling, right? Like we all know that. Sebamtholile ke uMabusi vele angisho inkinga kube sekuthenini ukuthi Mabusi siyahamba. Mabusi is non-responsive and whatnot. Not talking, not saying anything. Angena ukhulekani athi imoto sengijikisile, imoto seyimela, then sesingathatha uMabusi sihambeni. uMabusi anikini inhloko athi no. But how uthi no athi no, ngiyathala mina mele ngihlalela ngimele ikhwama. Ibizo lami ilelo lokuthi mele ngimele ikhwama. So I don't know, does this mean ukuthi uMabusi is in her conscious mind, in the spiritual realm and in the physical, or what? Because the realms are not the same. I'm just bonid indawo, guys, which I find. So I don't know. What do you think? Is this a conscious decision in the physical which will manifest in the spiritual? Assassin. uMamZobe, guys, still same story, still not non-responsive. Girl is still that girl that nje ohlele sofeni singazi ukuthi story sakhe sithini, but we hope ukuthi eventually she will snap out of it, akhiphe ikhwama, anikeze uMabusi abe yi-professional doctor, abe yi-traditional doctor, impilo iqhubekele phambili, and then the storyline moves, because shemukele uziphethe ikhwama, uJesu uzazabuya thola uMamZobe aphethe ikhwama, uJesu abuye thola uMamZobe asafihla ikhwama. But ke let's move on to abanye. Guys, umenga ke yo nobuntu abantu abayiphuzelayo phili high life pop up left, right and center. So the parents come in, and then it seems like that's the parents' home, right? Babuze mengameli kwenzakalani. I was so pissed, guys. I was so bored. Like I was bored from the word go when Umenga was like, people were drunk, lying there in the sitting room, dining room, whatever you guys may call it. Because now they're portraying, I don't know, like, no. Umenga melos maziu aham skepsele. I don't know, man. But nonetheless, the parents were back and they claimed their house back. Samangela ngisho simangazwe indaba kaMenga. Hayi kanti imali akusiya kaMenga yakababakhe. So babakhe amthethisa ukuthi udla imali yami nekhikhilili, hey what this and that. You know, most fathers, they don't like ukuthi their sons will just spend money on every Tom, Dick and Harry. However, the father said, if you want me to continue to support you, you must go back to the army. It's the army or no support. Choose either or. Ngapha unobuntu umele iring enkulu ngisho. So it means ukuthi ke manje umenga mele ayekuhluphekeni ayoncenga khabo nobuntu, should he decide not to go back to the army. But yeah, asazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. This is your girl, Disable D. Stay tuned in and please do like, share, and subscribe.